Blow the candles.
Blow the candle. Happy birthday.
For me, yeah.
For both of you.
No,
Jean.
yeah, we
Three
both.
of you.
We both.
Yeah.
When's your birthday?
March.
Okay, that's 4 of them. Now that's, hey, the cake's coming really well because now we've got the birthday going because you've had yours and you've had yours and mine's coming up, so we're pre-birthday girl.
Do you have a light?
No. I got a light somewhere. Where's your lighter?
Oh yeah.
It's easier to use. It's easier to use. You've got more steady hands. I'll be used to light it up. And we're going to have to sing Lulu as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got the knife? You got...
Yep.
We will wait.
You hot or cold?
I'm hot.
Good.
I don't know. I'm hot. I'm cold.
Now, the trick is light one candle and then you burn the rest with the other.
Then I have to put.
Yeah, because otherwise you're going to burn your fingers.
Oh,
Let's see. I always burn my fingers. Have you been teaching her? Have you?
not mine.
Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Maria.
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Hooray! Okay, 3 of us, ready? 1, 3. You roll the
All three?
All 3.
All three. All three.
Go. 1, go. There we go. Gee, that's coming really handy. See, 3 birthday girls.
Wow.
Yeah.
And we never did this before.
No, that's spontaneous. See?
Never.
How's that?
Thanks, Anne. Thank you.
That's your knife. Now, Lulu, you gotta come over here and then we 3
Okay, who
cut
cut the
cake
cake?
together. The
Come
3 of
on.
us.
Yeah,
no,
come
no,
over.
no, come on. Your
Easy.
birthday
Yeah.
girl too.
I need long time.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You're still a birthday
Yeah.
girl.
Okay, okay.
Oh, okay.
Give me your hand,
Come
Emma.
on,
We're
Emma.
all doing it
All of
together.
us.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
One.
1, 2.
Happy
There you go.
Okay, Lulu do the one.
Yeah, Lulu, you can do
Okay.
yours.
This is for Emma.
That was nice having that like that for 3 of us birthday girls.
Mm. Please, not much for me.
Yes.
The small one. The small one, okay?
Yeah, she's got a figure to look after.
Another one.
Oh,
Okay,
oh, look at that, Emma.
Yes, too
Maria.
big.
so
Very
much
small,
more.
tiny.
Maria.
Just wait what you can. If you can't, you can't. Told you, make yourself feel at home. No pressure. No pressure.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, do us a favour and see when you do see loud here, tell her to
Yeah, I
try.
will. I'll try. I will tell her that you try to.
And I can prove it too because I see it on her Facebook.
Oh, I don't think she's on Facebook.
Oh, so I
She
don't
never
know.
posts, I never see any activity.
Oh, well.
You can do maybe?
No, I'd rather,
No, I mean on message. Oh, yeah.
no, I'd rather
I
like,
message her.
yeah.
I don't know. Anyway.
But she wasn't there, you know. And Josh answered the phone. He goes, oh, who's speaking? I said, don't worry. Don't worry. cake's nice, you know? Very nice. Thank you for buying the cake. Come in handy. Came in handy, that cake. We got all recognised. The hot water's not too hot, is it? I have to blame my maid on that. She brought it too hot. That is very nice.
It's light.
Light, that's what I like about
The
it.
cream is nice. It's cold.
I don't have sweet tooth, but I like it. That one's nice. I got some fruit. Do you want to put some grapes and that out as well?
Thank you, Maria.
What is?
I've got grapes and all of that. Would you like some? Are you saying I've overpaid it? And my daughter doesn't like me living without nothing at the back because of how I live. So she says, Mum, yeah, we'll pay for everything. You just, you know, and that's what happened. So
A
they
lot of
might
extra work.
yeah. Yeah, and that's what she said. It'll be good for you too, Mum. It'll give you something to do. I said, oh, thanks.
Lots of work. Every time you go and do something, worry about the babies at home. Eat clean up after them.
Yeah, exactly right. You know.
Kill the bird, you have to go and pick up the.
Yeah, but I chucked the dead bird over the fence because I know there's going to be a cat or something that will take it kind of stuff, rather than just putting it in the bin. The bin man only came today, so I didn't want to sit in there for a week. I thought, no, I'll get that dead bird before Franklin starts pulling the feathers out. Nothing worse. That was very nice, Kate.
Yes.
No. Yeah, patients use it.
Well, you tell your daughter she done a good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
And she bought everything too.
Now I'm well fed.
I'm glad. And I'm glad
I need a bed.
and I'm glad you guys like the meal. So I'm happy with that.
Thank you so much.
Because I can't cook Asian food.
Eh?
Now I can't cook Asian food. I don't know how to cook Asian food. So that's why you didn't have any Asian food.
That's fine. That's nice.
But next time at my place, you can have Asian food.
Okay. I like your Asian food and I like yours as well. So
You like any food?
You know what? I've tasted all of your food. Yeah. Have you tasted Emma food?
yeah, I have
Yeah,
years
have
ago.
you?
Yeah,
I don't know how to cook.
I have.
Yeah, rubbish.
Oh, come on.
Mate, when Emma puts a spread on, she puts it on.
Memorizing.
Oh,
I still remember her food. Oh.
Oh, yeah. The rice and everything. Food. Eat. I'm thinking, I can't eat anymore.
And look at the way she eat, huh?
I know.
Bird.
No.
The chop suey. She cooked nice chop suey.
Oh, she make nice chicken curry.
Oh, chicken curry. Well, they haven't and I haven't. You know, so we
And her chicken curry with taro. I thought it's only good with rice. No, it's good with steamed taro.
yeah. Now, well, Emma, you introduced me to the banana, where like
green
banana, whatever it was.
Yeah, the green banana.
Yeah, and you said to me, "Have some, try." I go, "No, it's right. Look, just try. Have a bite." Okay, and I thought, that's very close to tasting like a potato, you know, when it's all cooked in that. Like, I was absolutely surprised, you know.
It's better than potato.
Yeah, it was nice and light in that, but that was my first introduction to the
Green
banana.
banana.
You know, to me, when it's green, it's raw. You know?
And food you eat ripe.
Yeah. And I thought, you haven't had it, try it.
Well, I didn't get to try it. We eat green banana, cooked green banana.
Yeah, that's what Emma did with
Yeah,
her.
but I didn't have the chance to try that one.
No, because we were at work when she was giving it to me.
And I was not there.
No, that was during the
I was
work.
not included in the pack.
No, we just thought you just didn't want to be involved.
They said.
See, what happened when we were all working together, right, Emma and I would go out into the old courtyard and we'd keep an eye on the buzzers and all of that. And Emma goes, "Do you think we should ask?" And I said, "Nah, she's happy staying there."
See, you didn't ask.
He goes, "Yeah." So anyway, then another time, I'd say, "Do you think she want to come?" And he'd go, "No, I don't think so." Yeah, she doesn't want to. And so we took it because she hadn't said anything to us, right?
Well, I can't throw myself at you like, "Oh, hey, I want to come and eat your food."
Yeah, you
Oh, come
can.
on. How?
Yeah.
See, even Emma asked and you said, "No, she doesn't want."
Yeah.
See?
And I said, anyway,
You
well,
just
I do. I
discard
said,
me.
"Can I come with you? Can I sit with you?" So, because I do it.
I was invisible.
Anyway, and then we started talking, and then you came out and you sat with us, and that's how it happened. And then when we were talking, and he goes, "I never thought you wanted me there." I said, "What gave you the idea?" You used to would always go and sit out and you never asked me. And anyway, someone had to stay on the floor.
Yes.
I said, "Yeah, but we're on the floor. We're watching the buzzers and all of that. You know, we take our turn to go on the buzzers and all of that kind of stuff." And I mean, sometimes Vippa would be sitting with us, and she would still be in the what do you call it, in the nursing home.
And I'm not your partner anyway, so I could take my break. But now, they just ignore me.
No, but no, it wasn't that at all. It was just miscommunication by not saying anything.
They're both shy.
Yeah, we're both shy, isn't that right? But I tell you,
I just remember this. The old man is my ex-husband's uncle. The first time she came, because the meetings always in my home because they know cook.
Yeah.
And he came the first time. He tasted ripe banana cake. He said, "Oh, where's the rest of the cake?" I said, "It's for other people." I said, "No, bring that here." Bring that here. I was just joking. So they put the cake here and nobody touched this. That's mine. Take home. Every time he comes, he's telling me. I bring the cake and I said, "Don't worry, your cake is over here, the big cake. Your cake is here to take home and that's for other people."
it's amazing.
Amazing how small things in
Yeah.
Actually, you're right, because it is the small things that you're homing onto, you know, like, yeah, something you don't do yourself.
No, it doesn't. Because you cook it some other time, but there's no big deal.
Yeah.
But that's you, it's never a big deal. That's always been
right.
you.
Yeah.
It wouldn't matter if there's 300 people. That's okay, no big deal.
It was in the stroke, but there's another thing. I love cooking. I love cooking for people who enjoy food.
Yeah. Well, I certainly do. You only have to look at me. Yeah, no. But it's true. You know, I mean, like I know the biggest thing I miss from you is your salad. Your fruit salad. Now I've had other people. They're nice, don't get me wrong, but not like
Doesn't have
you.
the touch.
Yeah, it does not have
The
that
touch
extra
is
touch.
something.
However you make it, Lulu's, you know, salad, where she had the fruit in it and the jelly and all of that. Fruit salad.
What are you talking about?
So I'm saying the biggest thing I miss from Lulu is her fruit salad. You know, she'd make it and we'd have it. And I've tasted other people's, but it's nothing compared to Lulu's. You know, I thought, no,
Even people keep asking me,
Yeah.
oh Lulu, I miss your fruit salad.
yeah. Well, so you missed for something. No, but seriously, it's like you said though, Emma, you know, you like cooking. Like, as I said, me cooking last night, and that, it wasn't a chore. Because for me, I knew,
From the heart.
yeah, when it's from the heart, it's not a hard work.
Yes.
When it's not from the heart,
It's
It's a chore.
it's a chore. Yeah,
And it's hard.
yeah. So, oh well, I tell you what, nice company, nice food, can't ask for any more for that. Especially that cake. And my highlight was,
I'm not really fan of cake, but this one I like it.
Yeah, it's very nice.
there is a Filipino cake shop just here. Oh, you know about it, do you?
Yeah, I never been, but my
It's
kids
nice.
order, yeah.
It's really nice. Mrs. Uber or whatever.
Yes.
Or, yeah,
That's
Uber
the
or
one. They
whatever.
always order from there.
Yeah, because I stop sometimes and buy.
You call it ube, yeah.
Okay, whatever.
It's
Yeah.
the purple yam.
I was going to actually go and get one, but I thought, no, I've got something else.
Lucky you didn't get one.
I know.
Okay.
But it,
You alright?
It's my back.
come and sit on the lounge.
You know, it's alright. It's my back is killing me.
You want some painkillers?
Huh?
You want some painkillers?
I took some painkiller when I come, but that was all morning. No, I didn't. I didn't have a...
I've got osteo painkillers.
Panadol.
You want some?
Yeah, please.
I've got stronger
Then-
ones. You want a stronger one?
I'll be going home. We've got to be going home soon now.
Yeah.
There's the premium that me is my back.
Your back, yeah.
No, I'm from the chat.
Too hot.
Yeah. I'm from the chat.
Yeah, I will sleep.
Yeah, the top.
Blue one?
Yeah.
This one?
The one, yeah. Give the whole rack. That's it.
No, I think
They're both the same.
Which one open?
Can I open? Yeah. Yeah. Here you go, Emma. Take these with you anyway. You sure you don't want to sit on the lounge? The lounge might be a bit more better for
No,
you.
It's alright.
Books on.
Yeah. And take them
Tell her
home
to
with
chew
you.
one.
Take them home with you. I've got plenty.
Tell her to chew one.
No, you can't chew. It's not chewable.
No, the break up faster.
Put the face.
One.
You drink warm water?
Oh, you want cold water?
Yeah.
With the tablet.
I never did.
Well, you always learn something new.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, that's probably from all the years of nursing, Emma, with your back. I had back issues. Once it's because I got crumbling disc. You know what to look forward to. Hopefully not too soon. Maybe another 30 years.
I'll be 90 then. By then.
Yeah, well, I hope you have the best health till you're 90. I can't guarantee after 90. Sorry.
Too old now.
Too old.
Yeah.
You're young at heart. Mm. Yeah, I mean, like, your health's pretty good. Like, you know, there was a stage you weren't well, but now you look really good. Kind of stuff. I'll never forget when you look like a sick chicken. Oh, yeah. That was the worst I saw you.
Sick, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Maria was worried that.
Yeah, I was. Yeah, I really was.
About
Because
what?
when Lulu lost all this weight, and you could see she was so pale, and you had a lot of pressure on your shoulders, and it just showed all over her body and face.
Thank you for having us.
Look,
We love you, but we leave you now
It's been all mine.
with some
Really.
takeaway.
No, it has. It's been. And thank you, Hannah, for
Thank
doing all the
you.
cleaning and the cooking and the salad
Thank
and
you.
everything else.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lulu, bring your cake.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye,
Thank you.
darling. Love you heaps. You too.
Thank
Bye
you
bye.
so much,
Yeah,
Maria.
love you heaps too. Be good, be
Yeah,
happy.
you're careful.
And and give
Take care, take care.
when your husband come,
Yeah.
tell him I said hi.
I sent him our picture.
Oh, good. You right?
Yep.
Thank you, Maria,
You're
so
welcome,
much.
darling.